Hi everyone. Today we are going to know about how to do simulation using LT-Spice. Once LT-Spice is being downloaded, you can see the icon on the desktop here. So just double click on it. You'll enter to this kind of screen. So once you enter into this screen, just go with file and then new schematic is the one which you have to go across. So you'll get this kind of screen. So once you get the screen, now you can add your element. First, I'll start with resistor. So this is your resistor which you are going to do and you can press enter. So you can see R1 and R2 are being pressed. By pressing the button escape, you can remove the R2. So that's how we do it. If you want to delete, click on it and then you press the delete button. So if you press the delete button, you get a scissor like this. You can press on the element which you want to delete. So I'll do it again. So I take the resistor. Now, by pressing Ctrl R, I can make it horizontal. I can make it rotate by 90 degrees. And after that, I press enter. You can see like R2 is being present there. So I press escape to remove my R2. Later, I go with inductor. Inductor is vertical. I want to make it horizontal. So how do you do it? By pressing Ctrl R and again Ctrl R again Ctrl R again. So it has come to this line. So I press this and see L1 and L2 are coincided. So I press escape so that L2 is being removed. Now, I'm doing a series RLC circuit. I want capacitor. Again, capacitor is also vertical. By pressing Ctrl R, so I can make it horizontal. So I keep it like this and C2, I make it escape. Now, you can see this voltage source present here. I bring this voltage source. It is also vertical. I want to make it horizontal. I press Ctrl R. Positive should be onto my left hand side. So I rotate it again by Ctrl R and I keep it like this. So V2 has come. So press escape. It goes off. Now take the wire and then you just connect wire. Whenever you press the wire, this cross symbol comes. You can connect the cross symbol to cross symbol like this. Again, cross symbol to cross symbol like this. Okay, you can see the connection has been done. And again, from the cross symbol, you can press check here. The lines will obviously help you to connect everything. So press symbol to, again, you can press a horizontal symbol and then cross. This is how your RLC circuit is being prepared. And now you also, so and you can press escape and press space bar so that your circuit is more clear for you. And then you have this ground which should be connected to the circuit. I press the ground which is to the left hand side and then press this and then you can press escape and then again connect wire here. So wire you can connect from here to here. That's it. Your circuit is obviously done. Press escape and press space bar and now you have to give the values. So right click on it and keep the value as 1K, 1 kilo ohm and press OK. And now right click on it, 1 Henry and give the values for the resistor. And right click 10 micro, I should give 10 mu. In place of mu, I write it as U, capital or small, it doesn't matter. So you press it 10 microfarad. If you want farads also, you can write it 10 microfarad. Right. And coming to the voltage source, right click on it, go to the advanced value of it. Because I want to give a sinusoidal supply, go with sine. DC offset value, I keep it as 0. The amplitude is 100 volts. The frequency is 50 Hz I give and all the remaining values are 0 and I press OK. With that, all the values are being given. Okay. And now I just go with my run symbol here, which is a green triangle. So I press run. Now it asks me what is my stop time. I just assume like my stop time is 10 milliseconds and I press OK. So this is how my circuit is being ready. Once I press this and if I don't have any errors, I'll get the circuit like this. So this is the plane where I get my graph. So right click on it, add trace, and I just keep the first node. You have different nodes, node 1, node 2, node 3 across every element and I press this. So I get the value like this. So whenever I get value like this, you can right click on it. I just change it from node 1 to node 2, comma, N002. I keep it. Okay, if it is O, sorry for that. I'll keep N002 here and there lies my sinusoidal waveform. What I did is I'm measuring the voltage between node 1 and node 2. And I right click on it. I also, add trace onto it. I find the current passing through the resistor. That's all. These two are done. If you can see the current passing is out of phase, you can just add right click on it and then keep a negative value for it. You will get it onto the phase. So that's how you are going to get the value. Okay, right now after getting this graph, I go with the next one, add plot plane below. So now you can see the plane, the graph is becoming very less in size. So what do I do is I just I maximize this. Okay, yes. So because you are maximizing this, and after that, now I add traces to it. Now, first one is over. I'll go with the second one. You get the graph like this. And later in the trace, I add current passing through the inductor. One voltage and one current I keep on adding to them. So you can see current passing to be very less. And later, I add another trace below. Add plot plane below is the one which I am doing it. And in that, you can see I'm adding a trace of current passing through the voltage drop across node 3. And the next one is I add trace for it and current passing through the capacitor. So that is what which I am going to get here. So these are the things which you are going to get in the waveform. And if you want to save the waveform anywhere, so then, these are the waveforms which you approximately get. Might be slight changes according to the values. And if you want to save these waveforms, all of you, so you 1 minute, I just want to check. Yes, current passing through resistor, inductor, and capacitor. And if you want to take a printout of it, click on File and go to Print. And print, you can go with properties again. Instead of portrait, it would be good if you can take it on a landscape. And then you can just, okay, you can say it as Microsoft Print to PDF. I save it on the desktop graph with the title, with the name as you like, but I take it as graph here. So when I take it as graph, it's going to print for me. So I just, go down, go to the graph and I see whether I got my graph or not. So this is the graph which I'm going to get, and you can include your name at the bottom, with by clicking this, you can type, yes, any name, Guru Swami, and along with that, your roll number, and then save it, and then take a printout of it, and you can submit it. Hope you understood this one. Okay, so this is how you do the series RLC circuit with the software of LT Spice. Yes, thank you very much, all of you.